Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. World Toilet Day. Have you ever imagined holding in your need to use the toilet, not for minutes, but for hours, every single day, because there's nowhere safe or clean to go? For millions around the world, this is a daily reality. And for many, it's not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. In quiet voices and hidden corners, children and women risk their health and safety just to relieve themselves. This is not just a sanitation issue, it's about peace, dignity, and safety. Stay tuned to the end as we share two powerful stories and show you why building a toilet is building peace. Theme: Toilet and Peace, the Power of Dignity. Why World Toilet Day matters. In 2013, the United Nations declared November 19th as World Toilet Day to raise global awareness about the sanitation crisis. Since then, people and governments around the world have taken steps to provide safe toilets to more communities. But even now, over 3.5 billion people still live without safe sanitation. The lack of toilets leads to serious problems like disease outbreaks, school dropouts, violence against women and girls, and even social unrest. The theme, Toilet and Peace, shows how important toilets are, not just for comfort, but for creating peace at home, in schools, and across nations. The impact of toilets on society and nation building. Safe toilets help children stay in school, especially girls. They protect women from danger. They prevent sickness in families and reduce pressure on hospitals. In rural villages, cities, and refugee camps, toilets bring dignity, protect health, and make life better. A simple toilet can change everything. It can create peace of mind and peace in a community. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Aisha, a 14-year-old girl from Nigeria, used to miss school and suffer from infections because her family didn't have a toilet. "I would hold it all day and sometimes fall sick," she says. "But when we got a clean toilet in our village, I started going to school every day. I feel safe now." Samuel, a 35-year-old teacher from Kenya, saw the difference toilets made in his school. "Girls used to drop out because we had no proper toilets," he says. "Then an NGO built safe ones. Now our students are happier and learning better. A toilet changed our whole school." Thank you to the unsung heroes. We thank the engineers, health workers, sanitation staff, teachers, and volunteers who are building a better world, one toilet at a time. You may not always be seen, but your work brings health, safety, and peace. You are true heroes. A call to action: the time is now. To the people, schools, religious leaders, businesses, and governments who haven't yet taken action, we say, it's not too late. Building one toilet, supporting one sanitation project, or spreading awareness can change lives. Your voice, your effort, your decision can bring dignity to a child, safety to a woman, and strength to a nation. Toilets may be small, but their impact is huge. They are not just about sanitation, they are about peace, protection, and progress. Happy World Toilet Day. Let's build dignity, safety, and peace, one toilet at a time. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the engineers, health workers, sanitation staff, teachers, and volunteers who are building a better world, one toilet at a time. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today, the 20th of November, World Philosophy Day. Africa Industrialization Day. World Children's Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.